Wow, holding hands. Oh. Okay, now I know why you guys are holding hands. Bro, why are you bringing the hands free? Tak boleh, hands free. Hands free tak boleh.
Master Chef. Oh my god.
Mantap. Oi, I got that shot. No, dia lepas tu. Hello guys, selamat pagi. Hari ni nak pergi Sungai Pisang. Today the vlog is going to be a bit different. I'm going to do this vlog in English sebab I'm bringing some of my foreigner friends today to Sungai Pisang for the first time ever, yeah. So it's a bit nervous because I've only been here for like 2 times. So they were all like depending on me lah right now. Syafiq, steady. Steady ya. Gang Nubis kembali berada. Gang Nubis is back. Okay guys, let's cross the river guys.
I don't take photo.
Okay, since you say that, then I want to focus on you only. I'm so glad you said that. Hey, careful. This is epic, man. This is really epic. Steady.
Hello.
Steady, ah.
Hello to Farouk's followers.
Ah, thank you. Wow, holding hands. Okay, now I know why you guys are holding hands. Bro, why are you bringing the hands free? Tak boleh, hands free. Hands free tak boleh.
Master Chef. Oh my god.
Mantap. Okay, steady. Most of them have crossed.
Tak sampai lagi tempat mainan.
Lelu. This is just the beginning. Are you guys okay? Okay, yeah?
No.
Okay. Okay, then you can go back. Okay. Syafiq, lead the way. Let's lead the way. Enlighten the future. Share the wisdom through the spirit of Islam.
Later.
Together we'll make the world a better place.
Forever expand the culture of LiQWYD.
Go, less talking, more walking. Hey, this is Muaz.
I'm Muaz.
Yeah, Muaz is not a foreigner, yeah. He's a Malaysian.
I'm not a foreigner.
Yeah, he's a Malaysian.
Maybe but not a foreigner.
Yeah, he's from Kota Baru, Kelantan. Oi, kau gelak kan? What's wrong with Kelantan?
Hey, Kelantan.
Hey, what's wrong with Kelantan, huh? What's wrong with Kelantan, huh?
No lah, not Kota Baru lah. KB Mall.
Okay. I'm so sorry. After 15-minute short trekking, we are here at the highway. Just by the highway. So we are heading to the tunnel. It's almost there. Yes, I can see already. The tunnel is over there, right in front of us. Okay, go. Get your phones out. Take photos. So this is the famous tunnel of Sungai Pisang. We have all taken photos already. The photos look great. Now let's go inside. Okay. Jom, kita akan reverse because the lighting is not good in here. So we're doing it reverse style. Okay, reverse. Over here lighting no good. Yeah, lighting is very good.
Biar lebih famous. Mak, ayah di dapur. Mak, bapak, makan baru.
Soon after.
Yay! How was the tunnel experience?
It's... I don't know how to describe. Open everything.
How's it? How's it?
Oh, good.
How's the tunnel?
Galak kali gua.
Me okay?
Okay.
So after the tunnel, I think this is the part where people always get confused because there are two ways. One way to the left, and also one way to the right. But I always follow the right way because left there's like a whole bunch of other jungles. So I think there's gonna be like a lot of other junctions over there. So to be safe, just follow right. Okay, let's go.
Same thing.
Remember guys, when in doubt, dalam hutan, always look for the mark. So this is the mark. So along the track, so you just follow the mark and then you'll get to the waterfall. Alright?
It's been rotting here, yeah.
Kenapa dia selalu ngambil pasti tempat-tempat yang bukan kita jelek ya?
You didn't purpose.
Yalah.
See everyone Adven.
Yeah, vlogging is about true.
Yeah, it's true. Natural.
Yeah, natural. Everything is spontaneous.
Natural.
There's no lighting, no stage, no nothing. You just hit the record button and then that's it. So today I'm bringing my foreigner friends to Sungai Pisang. Yeah. This guy is from Riau.
Baru, no, new city.
New city. Oh. From Riau ada, from Bogor ada. We have one here from Vietnam, from Ho Chi Minh City. We have one from Nepal in front of Nepal. The guider. The Nepal. Yeah, this is my Nepali friend. Hello, Nepali friend. Hello. Hello, how are you doing? How are you doing?
Oh, Malaysia.
Are you rich already?
Malaysia bagus, bagus.
Malaysia boleh, Malaysia boleh. Oi! I got that shot. I got that shot. Oh no! So sorry, Mimi. Mimi, are you okay?
Okay.
Guys, 5 more
Five more
minutes.
minutes.
5 more minutes. Trust me. You can trust me on this.
It's okay, bro.
5 more minutes.
Okay, 5 more minutes.
No, this is 1 minute.
For real.
1 minute, yeah, 1 minute. Welcome to Sungai Pisang Mall. So dah sampai. Selamat sampai semua orang, alhamdulillah. Kita healing sekejap, masuk air, mandi-mandi, lepak-lepak. Woohoo! This feels so nice. Back after 2 years.
Many minutes later.
I'm already very wet. So now we are going up. And then we settle down first. How's the view, bro?
Perfect.
Perfect, right? Yeah. The view from up here is very stunning. Woo! Much better. Right now we are heading to another spot. It's not waterfall, but it's like a kolam where the water is deep enough for you to do some cliff jumping.
A few moments later.
Change of plans. We're not going to that kolam. Instead, we're gonna park here. It's right on top of the waterfall because there's too many people over there. So here it's a bit nicer where there's no crowd. It's just us here. It's nice. This is me right on top of the waterfall. See? If you slip, then I think you'll die. See, there's a waterfall, one over there and another one is at that side. Me, my Nepali friend. Hello! There's a really nice mini waterfall here where we can slide down. nice. Okay, it's my turn now. Oh, this is fun. Hey. No, dia lepas tu. Tak apa bro, we need laughter, we need laughter. Dua kali. Gombak. Okay, gombak. Saya menang. So we have packed our stuff and we are ready to go back. Okay, going back we are going to take the highway route and then go down and then we reach at the tunnel. Whoa. Oh, this is a nice shot. Very nice shot. Yay!
Wah, I feel like
We are here.
orang asli.
Back to city life, man. Okay, whenever you follow the highway route, always remember there's 28.2 kilometers. Then that means we have reached the tunnel. We just need to go down and then we reach the tunnel already. Using this way. Very good. Awesome guys, awesome. Nicely done. Good job. Good job guys. We made it. Yeah. Dah sampai. We are here. We have reached back at the entrance. So yeah, I guess that's all for this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye. Mandi tak? Mandi?
Itu.
Apa itu? Sandi. Kau membuatku berantakan, kau membuatku tak karuan, kau membuatku tak berdaya, kau menolakku. Tunjukkan diriku, okey. Bagaimana caranya untuk meruntuhkan kerasnya hatimu? Ku sadari ku tak sempurna. Kau hancurkan aku dengan sikapmu. Tak sadarkah kau telah menyakitiku?